today it's a new video of finding fidgets around my house. Oh, there was a fidget beside my turtle tub. My turtle's tub, I meant. Okay, let's put that in. Let's find more. There was these fidgets on the table. So let's get that. Now let's find more fidgets around my house. Oh wow, there was a puppet fidget behind my garden. So let's get that. Hope you enjoy, guys. Like and subscribe. Like for part 2. Bye, guys.